We're at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, and today we're looking at a 2015 Harley Davidson Ultra Limited. We have dual disc braking in the front. This bike also has ABS front and rear. 103 cubic inch engine. We have rider and passenger floorboards, locking saddlebags and top case, and there is also a rack on the top case as well. Lots of luggage options. Support on the side of the passenger backrest, and there are also speakers back there. Again, we're at Biggs Harley Davidson. We're located in San Marcos, California, and we are open for test rides 6 days a week. Come check it out.